One problem with these real mini bikes is I'm 6'5", so they don't even begin to fit. So this does fit a lot better. You know, get the foot pegs up, still be a little tight, so but I got the seat come up higher, so it fits pretty decent. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. I got the so I got using some of these garden pads to fill the volume of the seat up, and then I'll bolster it. Still need a few more parts. Gotta make the seat. Gotta make some trim pieces and appearance pieces on the side panel and on the back. Integrate this. Finish up the wiring. I used the front brake drum in the rear, and I forgot to order a new, well, not drum, but backing pad, or whatever you want to call it. So I got to use that. I had a new one of those coming, and finish up the wiring. But aside from that, it's all together. And just gotta put some spacers in the CVT, get it all lined up just right. So some of my concerns, the suspension wouldn't be right with it. It's just a CBR 600 shock, and I changed the angles and everything, but using that, it came out just perfect. So I was able to sit on it yesterday. But it's looking pretty decent for now. I still gotta clean things up a little bit, get the foot pegs on it, get the wiring sorted. But yeah, no, I'm pretty happy so far.